Hey everyone, we're going to use synthetic substitution to find f of -5 and f of 1/2. And here's our function that we're going to use. So basically what we're trying to do is find our remainder when we plug this in. So the first thing I'm going to do is use synthetic division. And I'm going to put, this is how I do it, I write -5. Now I need an x cubed, an x squared, a x to the first, a x to the 0. Remember, x to the 0 is a constant term because that equals 1. So that would be your x to the 0 term. Now let's copy everything down. We don't have an x, so you have to put a 0 there, then -5. Now let's draw a line. Again, this is how I do it. You might do it a little different. And the first step is to bring down the first number, -1. So now you multiply. -5 times -1 is 5, and then you add. So that's 8. -5 times 8 is -40, and then you add. So that's going to give you -40. Then you do -5 times -40 is 200, and then you add. So that's going to give you 195. That means 195, I always put a little line there. This is your remainder. What that means, if I do f of -5 and I plug it into my equation, I'm going to get 195, which is my remainder. Okay, let's try the 1/2. Some of these aren't so nice. I don't think this one is. Let's see. So let's see. Let's going to put the 1/2 here. And we're going to also put -1, 3, 0, and -5. All right. First step, bring down the -1. And then multiply. So you get -1/2. And 3 minus 1/2. And the way I do it is I just write this as 6/2. I just write it in fraction form. So that's going to be 5/2. Multiply. So that's going to give you 5/4. Add, you get 5/4. 1/2 times 5/4 is 5/8. And add. Now, since I don't have the common denominator, this is going to be -48. Sorry, so when you add, you're going to get -35/8. So I just mentally change this to fraction form when I'm doing these, especially when they're not so nice, like this one. And again, what this means is if I do f of 1/2 and plug it into my original equation with substitution, I will get negative. Let me write this down. I can't do two things at once. All right. I will get -35 divided by 8, which is your remainder. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.